We're launching the Out for Undergrad Engineering Conference for the first time this year, which is very exciting. Hi everyone, welcome to the first ever Out for Undergrad Engineering Conference. Who's excited to be here? I am the engineering conference director for this year. I am so pleased to see all of your smiling faces. Thank you for coming here. We're all so excited to get to know you and to participate in this conference. And we knew that there were strong communities of queer undergraduate engineering students at some of the top universities across the nation who would be interested in an event like this. Additionally, we knew that there were companies that were looking for ways to support their LGBT employees and to recruit top LGBT talent. While other industries may have sort of adapted more quickly to the changing tide about the public's perception around LGBT issues, I think the tide is really turning right now for the engineering industry, which means that you all here, all of us, have the opportunity to really shape how this industry develops, which to me is tremendously exciting. Plenty of the companies here today, our sponsors, have had LGBT professional groups and LGBT-focused recruiting for many years, but some of them have just started to launch these initiatives and are in the process now. You have the opportunity to really shape what those groups look like and how they represent the LGBT employees to the broader organization.
I think this is a fantastic opportunity for the students. I wish I had this opportunity when I was an undergrad as an LGBT individual. I hope we can continue this for years to come because I feel like we can actually make a difference in this industry.
So my name is Brandon Fail. I am the Executive Director of Out for Undergrad. And it is my sincerest pleasure to welcome you all to the Out for Undergrad Engineering Conference. We chose you because we believe you have incredible, enormous, literally limitless potential. And we want to help you try and bring that to life. And that mission is just about the most exciting thing any of us could want to do.
Yeah, I think it's all about setting, milestones, and that, we as an engineering community, we're important enough to have a presence for LGBTQ students, and that we deserve that support as much as anyone else does, whether they're in business or technology. So yeah, I think it's a great milestone.
So first, I am just thrilled beyond belief to have the first Out for Undergraduate Engineers here at Stanford. This is terrific, and I am even more thrilled and honored to be invited to come welcome you. I get asked to welcome all sorts of things, and usually I get an invitation, and then I have to check my calendar. I have somebody to This one, I just hit the reply yes button as soon as I got it, because it is really fantastic to have you here. And I think this organization and this conference are such a powerful statement about the importance of your community, the LGBT community, to engineering. And so that's why I'm really glad you're here.
It's been awesome just meeting more queer people that are in engineering. Just makes it easier to talk to them, just because we're interested in similar things academically and also in our personal lives, just understand each other on a different level.
Our first keynote speaker is Christine Bland, and she is a true Renaissance woman. She's an artist that paints in watercolor, acrylics, oils, and performance art. And she is a trombone player in a swing band, and in her free time, she manages design teams at Lockheed Martin. And
my career took off, not just, it blew into bounds I never thought of because I'm willing to put myself out there. And one of the key things is, I thought about this, am I now very successful because I'm trans? No, it's because I'm putting myself out there.
I think being here is an opportunity to surround myself with people who are equally interested in expressing themselves and expressing their sexuality, and that intersection between being an engineer and being queer. It's nice to be in a place where we can all kind of discuss that and we're all interested in discussing those things.
I hope that the conference attendees bring back the confidence to be out and really their true authentic selves, both in a professional setting and also to take that into their personal lives if they're not out to their friends and families. I hope they leave this conference with the confidence to truly be themselves.
Trying to show you some exciting stuff that NASA's doing. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what we're doing engineering-wise. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the employee resource group that Will mentioned, and just about in general what it's like to be out at work, especially in a somewhat conservative institution like NASA.
One thing we talked about earlier this conference was the need for role models within the LGBT community. So I always figured I would be out in the workplace, but very subtly, and maybe keep to myself or maybe not even mention it. But talking about this kind of made me realize that we have a need for people to be very out and very direct and really opening these issues up. Can be natural and not completely forced.
Inspirational.
Innovative.
Diverse.
Personal and thought-provoking.